Hey, credit heroes! Launching a business can be overwhelming and confusing if you're trying to do it on your own. From bootstrapping success stories to six-figure setups, I've seen it all in my 20 years of helping thousands of people build thriving businesses. Today, I'm going to share with you what it takes to build, run, and grow a successful credit repair business from your home at little cost. So you better stick around.
My name is Daniel Rosen, and welcome to Credit Repair Business Secrets.
In the 20 years since releasing my first credit repair software, I've helped thousands of businesses scale from the ground up. And I've experienced many of the same challenges that credit heroes face, and I've learned proven ways to overcome them and succeed. Back in the day, I had no one to teach me or to mentor me. And now I'm the mentor to thousands of people, and most of them started with nothing. What an amazing ride. So if you're considering running your own credit repair business, I'm here for you. Here's how this relates to us. Being successful is a decision, and that decision is in how you look at things. I built Credit Repair Cloud from nothing, and if I can do it, you too can bootstrap your life-changing business on a shoestring. The recipe to success boils down to just two things: attitude and goals. If your attitude stays positive, then chances are you'll have great positive results. And when you set a goal to help others and change lives, the actions that you put towards that goal are going to grow your credit repair business faster than anything else you could do. Another word to remember is passion. Anyone can learn credit repair, and anyone can learn how to run a business. But a credit repair business goes beyond making money. It's all about people. So I want to tell you about Aaron Clark. Aaron was homeless and sleeping in his car, and he had messed up credit. And he started working on his credit, which turned his life around. He started posting his results on social media, and people started asking him for their help with their credit. So he started a credit repair company, and within 2 years of being homeless, he had earned this award for making over $1 million. And not only that, Aaron has changed thousands of lives, including his own. Can you imagine if this happened to you? Well, now it didn't just work for Aaron, it works for all kinds of people. We hear stories like this every week here. Here's why this is important. Once you've locked down the big things like attitude, goals, and passion for helping people, there will always be practical needs to run your business every day. Credit repair is a business that's profitable and scalable. There are so many people out there who need help with their credit, and they are willing to pay for your time and expertise to help them. Now, just because credit repair can be a really profitable business doesn't mean that it's expensive to build, as long as you have a bootstrapper mindset and you focus on growing your business one step at a time. Use the money you make to fund your next step of your business. It's that simple. You don't need a ton of crazy expensive things early on. No, there are many free resources that you can take advantage of. Here's what you need to know. The fastest and most effective way to understand the credit repair process is to take my free Start Repairing Credit Challenge. Join the challenge to arm yourself with important information such as the foundation and fundamentals of credit repair, the exact step-by-step system to successfully repair credit, how to send out your round one dispute letters, how to get paid for your credit repair services, and how to go from beginner to pro in record time. This challenge has so much information, and guess what? It's completely free. So you can sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and join the next challenge without spending a dime. Next, create a solid credit repair business plan. A business plan shouldn't cost you anything to create. Some people hire someone to write one for them, but if this is your first time running a business, you should absolutely try to write it yourself. You need to know your business better than anyone, and writing your own business plan will help make sure you have a clear strategy and direction. You'll also want to create a business entity. Now, in most states, you can start as a sole proprietorship, which costs nothing, or you can become an LLC or a corporation, which will cost you money. If your business is new, you might want to get the LLC or corporation later when you're making enough money to need the tax benefits. When it comes to running a credit repair business, you may need a business license for your city. Ours here in Los Angeles was only $90 for our first year. Also, you'll need a business checking account. Again, you don't need a corporation for this. If you're just starting and you haven't made any money yet, just get started. And many banks offer this for free, so you can get your business checking account, get your business going, and make adjustments later. Also, some states require a bond. If your state requires a bond, don't worry. If you go through a bond service, the amount that you pay is just a small fraction of the total bond amount. You don't really need to spend money on office space, although for safety, you might want to get a virtual business address. But it's perfectly fine in this day and age to work from home and communicate through platforms like Zoom. But I do want to talk about some technical considerations that you should make. First of all, you'll want a website. And you can get a pre-designed site for $20 at mycreditrepairsite.com, and it integrates easily with Credit Repair Cloud. You can get it up and running in less than 15 minutes and then make changes to customize it to your liking. To start to build an email list of leads, you can create some content that people can download in exchange for their email address. It doesn't need to be complicated, just make sure to give some helpful educational tips away. Next, you'll want the proper software. With Credit Repair Cloud software, you can import credit reports, run audits, and do everything you need to do for any client with just a click of a button. You can even run a business on it. This foolproofs the process and instantly makes you an expert to your clients. Your first month of Credit Repair Cloud is free, so make the most of it. I've seen some really successful credit heroes work hard during their free trial month to get enough clients to pay for the next month of software and then grow from there. You'll also want to think about customer service. It's important to set up client communication platforms such as a professional email address and a business phone number and voicemail. You probably don't need employees for a while, but when you do, hiring employees can be a double-edged sword. For one thing, it can cut into your bottom line, but properly trained employees who are committed and have the same drive and passion as you, well, they can pay for themselves in increased revenue. Just make sure they have a working knowledge of phone etiquette, email responses, and have them take our free Credit Repair Cloud software certification and basic disputing so they'll understand the system. And finally, let's talk about pricing. What you charge is all up to you, but make sure that your price fits the people you want to attract. It's okay to try different prices and see what helps your business the most. Many people do offer a free consultation and a free credit audit, and that helps them close the deal. Like opt-in resources, a free consultation gives you contact information to follow up with an interested lead. It also indicates the prospect's higher level of interest. And to save you money, here's my final point. Always remember that the most important thing that you need to be successful is a passion for helping people and a positive attitude. Anyone can learn credit repair and anyone can learn how to run a business, but this business goes beyond making money. This business is all about really helping people. So focus on sharpening your credit repair skills, having a clear plan, and building your business piece by piece. With some patience and persistence, you can bootstrap your business from nothing to a huge success. So if you're ready to start running your very own credit repair business from the comfort of your own home, now's the time. And I'll end by saying, if you want to learn what to do when you get your first client, check out my credit repair lead generation secrets. And if you'd like to improve your credit score and discover how to earn extra income repairing credit for others, check out my brand new Start Repairing Credit Challenge. Doors are closing soon and it is completely free. So sign up right now at startrepairingcredit.com and keep changing lives.